If you look at why we had the idea for a demo day, it came back to the acceleration program, which these programs traditionally have a demo at the end. But historically, it's been over Zoom or maybe in a conference room. We looked at that and say, that's not good enough for Blue Tech. With Blue Tech, you need to get wet.
401 TechBridge is a nonprofit technology commercialization entity. We use our people, places, and programming to help companies accelerate their technology into the Department of Defense and into private commercialization.
Today we're going to be doing a couple dive simulations. They're going to be going, in the future they could be collecting SVP profiles, and then as well as bathymetry, you get a water depth out of them, and they have great speeds on top of the surface as well.
We're showing our for reel system, and that stands for fiber optic reel system. On a commercial electric reel, we have our fiber optic fishing line, which attached to that we have a camera and light system.
Boston Engineering demonstrated 2 vertical profilers, one in a tube on the deck and then one out in the bay. Both of those profilers do vertical water column profiles. They collect data and they transmit that data.
We wanted an event that served calendar-wise, the same time as a traditional demo at the end of an accelerator cohort, but it being a little bit more interactive and in water.
This demo day here at the Reef at Newport is a perfect example of how we bring industry-based non-traditionals in to partner with the Navy, bring their technologies, and hopefully spark some new innovation and products that will benefit the Navy and private commercialization activities.
Really happy with the turnout. I think the technologies that were showcased were right on. I really was happy to see the conversations that were happening, especially like between the demos. You'd see companies talking to each other. You'd see Navy guys talking to companies.
We are a composites manufacturing company, and we're developing a deep sea pressure housing product line in order to replace titanium pressure housings currently used in deep sea underwater unmanned vehicles. Currently, the market is just using titanium housing, so we are reducing weight by building a fully composite option.
We're showing you how to get ocean data without going on the water. We do this with high detail computer models similar to a weather model, but instead of forecasting the wind and the rain, we're forecasting the currents and the temperature underwater.
Our hopes for Demo Day was to expose ourselves and the technology to NUWC team.
So I think there's going to be some good outcomes long-term, whether it be projects or collaborative research. We planted some seeds that I think are going to grow for a long time.